Hello, my name is Emily Tahana Estrada Lopez. I am in cohabitation. I am from Medellin. I am 34 years old. I am secretary in the diagnostic eye and I am studying at UNAD. I live in Bello municipality. In my free time, I like to watch movies and spend time with family. I live in Bello municipality, and in my municipality there are the main touristic places. In there are the principal park, the Reserve Natural Cerro Quitasol, the paragliders in San Felix. In Bello, our typical food is paisa tribe, and in Medellin, we celebrate the flower fires and Bello in the Cerro Quitasol festivity. In Bello, you can go hiking to Cerro Quitasol, the paragliders in San Felix, the principal park, and the house of Marco Fidel Suarez.